Buying a car shouldn't feel like gambling with your savings. But one wrong choice, and you could be stuck with endless repairs, wasted weekends, and thousands in unexpected costs. What if you could skip the headache and get a proven reliable car for under $10,000? Backed by real-world data and expert reviews, these are 17 dirt-cheap cars that just don't break. They're the hidden gems smart drivers are quietly scooping up, and they prove that dependability doesn't have to come with a luxury price tag. Stick around, because the last few cars on this list might just outlast anything on the road today. Number 17. Toyota Corolla. The Toyota Corolla is a legend in the world of reliability. Taxi drivers, students, commuters, you name it, swear by it. While a brand new Corolla might set you back over $22,000, you can grab one from the 2003 to 2008 model years for under $5,000. And why is that a bargain? Because the 1.8-liter engine in these Corollas is known to breeze past 200,000 miles with just basic maintenance. Consumer Reports regularly ranks these models among the most dependable cars of all time. On top of that, they're dirt cheap to own, with average annual maintenance costs hovering around $362. Fuel economy? A solid 30 miles per gallon combined. A few early models had minor oil consumption quirks, but most issues are quickly and cheaply resolved. Number 16. Honda Civic. Next up, the Honda Civic, a car nearly as immortal as the Corolla. The 2006 to 2011 Civics are renowned for their long-term durability, high resale value, and excellent fuel efficiency. New Civics run over $25,000, but these older models can still be found for under $5,000. The 1.8-liter engine is built for longevity, and many owners report exceeding 200,000 miles with minimal issues. One standout trait? Very few unexpected repair visits, averaging just 0.2 unscheduled shop trips per year. Reliability rankings place this Civic generation near the top, with annual repair costs coming in at around $368. You also get great gas mileage, 36 miles per gallon on the highway. Some units had engine block cracking problems, but Honda extended warranties to fix it, solidifying the Civic as a smart and safe buy. Number 15. Toyota Camry. Looking for a mid-size sedan that never quits? The Toyota Camry is your answer. A new one costs more than $26,000, but well-maintained early 2000s models are widely available for under $5,000. What powers this beast of dependability? A 2.4-liter, four-cylinder engine that's timing chain driven. No need for expensive belt replacements. Owners regularly see these cars passing the 200,000-mile mark without any drama. Parts are cheap, too, similar in cost to compact cars, making this one of the most budget-friendly mid-size sedans around. RepairPal ranks it third out of 24 mid-size vehicles, and average yearly maintenance runs about $388. Minor oil seepage and oxygen sensor issues have occurred, but they're easily remedied. Number 14. Honda Accord. The Honda Accord is what happens when you combine reliability with a fun-to-drive personality. The 2003 to 2007 models are standouts. Newer Accords can cost nearly $30,000, but these classics stay under $5,000 and deliver phenomenal value. The 2.4-liter four-cylinder engine is timing chain-driven, reliable, and can easily exceed 250,000 miles. It's ranked first in reliability among mid-size sedans, with repair costs hovering around $400 annually. What's more, the Accord has an interior that ages gracefully and feels more upscale than competitors like the Camry. Avoid the V6 if possible. Some had transmission issues, but the four-cylinder models are nearly bulletproof. Number 13. Toyota Avalon. Enter the Toyota Avalon. The 2000 to 2005 models offer full-size luxury, reliability, and performance for less than $5,000. Under the hood lies a 3-liter V6 engine that's one of Toyota's most durable, often surpassing 250,000 miles. Annual maintenance costs come in at about $463. The 4-speed automatic transmission is smooth and reliable, and the ride quality rivals high-end sedans. While some models had cracked dashboards or worn suspension components, these issues are cosmetic or easily repaired. You get premium comfort, loads of space, and Toyota's gold standard reliability. Number 12. Lexus ES 300/ES 330. The 2002 to 2006 ES 300 and ES 330 are built on the Camry platform, but with added luxury. Engines range from 3.0 to 3.3-liter V6 units, both known for long lives well beyond 200,000 miles. And because this Lexus shares many parts with Toyota, repair costs are much lower than German alternatives. The ES averages just $468 annually in maintenance and ranks 4th among mid-size luxury cars. Expect leather interiors, quiet cabins, and smooth rides. A few models had electrical hiccups or slight transmission lag, but nothing major. This is premium comfort on a tight budget. Number 11. Honda Fit. Practical, efficient, and shockingly durable. The Honda Fit from 2007 to 2013 is one of the best subcompacts money can buy. And yes, you can still find them under $5,000. The 1.5-liter engine lasts well past 200,000 miles with regular care. Thanks to a timing chain, you avoid the cost of belt replacements. Annual repairs average just $390. The Fit's Magic Seat system offers unmatched cargo flexibility, up to 57.3 cubic feet of storage. That's more than many small SUVs. Occasional issues include ignition coils or power steering quirks, but they're inexpensive to fix. Number 10. Scion XB. If quirky looks don't scare you off, the Scion XB is a hidden gem. The 2004 to 2006 versions are ultra-reliable, low maintenance, and surprisingly spacious. The 1.5-liter engine comes from Toyota's Echo and Yaris line, both known for bulletproof performance. Many XBs are still running strong with over 200,000 miles. Fuel economy hits 31 miles per gallon combined, and repair costs average just $386. You'll enjoy tall ceilings, roomy interiors, and parts that are dirt cheap thanks to Toyota's massive parts network. Common issues are minor and easily handled. Number 9. Pontiac Vibe. This 2003 to 2008 hatchback is mechanically identical to the Toyota Matrix. That means you get the same 1.8-liter Toyota engine that powers the Corolla. Owners report 300,000 miles without major repairs. Fuel economy can reach 38 miles per gallon on the highway. Best of all, used prices are even lower than the Matrix. With an optional household-style outlet, all-wheel drive, and cargo flexibility, the Vibe is as practical as it is durable. Some early models had transmission whine, but Toyota fixed that in later years. Number 8. Mazda 3. The 2004 to 2013 models deliver sharp handling, good build quality, and long engine life. Whether you choose the 2.0 or 2.3-liter engine, these compact cars regularly hit 150,000 miles and beyond. Newer versions improved corrosion resistance, making them even better buys. Reliability scores are high, and repairs are affordable. This is the compact car for drivers who don't want to fall asleep behind the wheel. Number 7. Lincoln MKZ. Luxury features for less than $5,000? That's the Lincoln MKZ. Early 2010s models include leather seats, dual-zone climate control, and premium sound. The 3.5-liter V6 offers over 260 horsepower, and the all-wheel drive option adds extra security. Fuel economy lands around 27 miles per gallon on the highway. RepairPal notes some units had power steering leaks, but overall reliability remains solid. It's a classy, comfortable ride that feels way more expensive than it is. Number 6. Toyota RAV4 2001 to 2005. Toyota's small SUV from this era combines the dependability of a Corolla with the practicality of an SUV. Choose from 2.0-ish or 2.4-liter engines, both known for longevity. These RAV4s often last beyond 200,000 miles and are easy to maintain. Fuel economy hits 25 miles per gallon combined. One known issue? Early transmissions had quirks, but software updates fixed most problems. It's efficient, affordable, and as reliable as SUVs get. Number 5. Honda CR-V, 2002 to 2006. Its 2.4-liter iVTEC engine routinely tops 200,000 miles. Average annual repairs come in under $410. Available all-wheel drive helps in snow or rain. The only real downside, some models had AC compressor failures, nicknamed Black Death by enthusiasts. If it's been replaced, you're golden. It's a Civic with ground clearance and just as dependable. Number 4. Toyota Highlander. The Highlander is a family SUV with Camry roots. That means it's smooth, spacious, and endlessly reliable. Early 2000s models often sell under $5,000. V6 engines can suffer from oil sludge if maintenance was skipped, but otherwise they're rock solid. Expect over 200,000 miles with minimal issues. It's the perfect blend of size, comfort, and peace of mind. Number 3. Toyota 4Runner. Built like a tank and just as tough. The Toyota 4Runner from the late 90s and early 2000s is an icon. These SUVs routinely surpass 300,000 miles. Look for models with a 3.4-liter or 4-liter V6 engines. Frame rust is the only common concern, so inspect carefully. If you want serious off-road chops and proven longevity, this is your truck. Number 2. Subaru Forester. Subaru's Forester gives you all-wheel drive, excellent safety ratings, and a reliable 2.5-liter boxer engine. Models from the late 2000s are still under $5,000. Watch out for head gasket issues, which were common in older Subarus. If fixed, these vehicles are nearly indestructible. Fuel economy sits around 22 miles per gallon combined. It's a rugged, versatile ride for those who like a little adventure. Number 1. Toyota Prius, 2004 to 2009. The Prius redefined fuel economy and proved that hybrids can last forever. Many owners report over 250,000 miles without major repairs. You can find a well-kept Prius for under $5,000, with hybrid batteries that often last 15 years or more. Fuel economy, up to 50 miles per gallon. Even better, parts have become cheaper and more accessible. Taxis with over 600,000 miles still run on original batteries. For sheer reliability, economy, and environmental impact, this is the smartest car on the list. There you have it, 17 incredibly reliable cars that won't break the bank. If you want dependable transportation that'll outlast the competition, any one of these will serve you well. Now, want to know which used cars dealers are dumping right now? Click the next video before these hidden gems disappear forever.